time for Nerdgasm.
Hey, what's up guys? Jerry here, aka Barnacles, and today I was woken up this morning from a dead sleep by one of those Microsoft scammers. You know, the guys that call your phone and say, oh my god, we found a virus on your computer and we want to help you get the virus off your computer, blah-de-blah-de-blah. Well, anyways, he asked me if I was sitting in front of a computer and I said, you know what, I just woke up, so why don't you give me an hour and call me back? I spent that hour setting up a little virtual machine that he could do anything he wanted to and decided to shoot this whole video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this completely unprompted and unplanned Indian Microsoft tech support call. Enjoy. Hello?
Mr. Jerry?
Yes.
Sir, this is Charlie Williams, the computer guy. If you remember, I gave you a call before regarding the computer.
Yes, I do.
Okay, and at that time you were busy, so you told me to give you a call back after an hour.
Yes, and now I'm sitting in front of a computer. Can you just give me a moment, please? Oh, okay.
C-O-N-F-I-G.
Oh, okay, now, there it is. It says system configuration.
Correct. Now, if you can check at the top, there will be several tabs like General, Service, Boot. You need to give a click on Service.
On services? Okay, I see it.
Now, just below the services at the left-hand side, do you see there are certain services? At the middle column, there will be manufacturer, and below, someone says Microsoft Corporation. Okay?
Yes, I see this.
Now, at the right-hand side column, you can check the status. Some says running, some says stop.
Okay, wait, what do I gotta click on?
You don't need to click to anywhere. You just need to, I want you to just scroll down the window, top to bottom, and check how many Microsoft services are being stopped.
Okay, let me see here. The ones that say Microsoft Corporation?
Yeah, the one says Microsoft Corporation. That means that particular services are given by the Microsoft Corporation.
Okay, I see them.
Now, you can see more than 10 to 15 services or more than that services. Status says stop, correct?
Yes, I see a lot of them.
Right. Now, the reason we call it, past few days, whenever you're browsing the different internet websites, there are few infections, getting into your computer automatically.
Uh-oh.
Now, because of there is a latest infection which is corrupting the, almost every Windows computer, named as CodeMet, okay, which is basically an executive file, which is computer through your browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Internet Explorer whenever you're browsing it. Now, once that file is going to getting into your system, that is going to similarly corrupting the other files and the software, which is stopping all the background services came from the Microsoft Corporation, which may harm your operating system. Now, because of this code-red infection, recently, Mark Zuckerberg, he's the co-founder of Facebook. His account also got hacked. If you hear the news, like his Twitter account, Instagram account also got hacked. Now, because of this issue, we take initiative, so we are making a regular service call to the registered user, so we can let them know about this issue. In your computer, the problem is, because of the infection, there are few Microsoft services and applications are not receiving the regular updates from the main server. That's the only reason all those inbuilt services and applications are being stopped in your computer.
Okay, what do I have to do?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry. That's the only reason we made a call to you, so we can help you to diagnose the problem and help you to resolve it. You can do one thing. First of all, close that window, close that MS-config box.
Okay.
Now you need to press that Windows key and the later on once again, as you did before.
Okay.
Now, if that box is empty.
It is now.
Okay, you need to type there www dot.
Okay.
Then S as in Sam.
Okay.
U as in umbrella.
Okay.
P as in Peter.
Okay.
E as in Peter again.
Okay.
O as in Oscar.
Okay.
R as in robot.
Okay.
E as in Texas.
Okay.
Put a dot.
Okay.
Then M as in Michael. Then E as in Edward.
Okay.
The complete command is www.support.me. Now you need to give a click on OK.
Okay. It's asking me how I want to open the file with Microsoft Edge. Oh, with Edge? Okay, it's opening.
It's asking how you need to open the file.
Yeah, but it just said Microsoft Edge. I clicked on it and it opened up. Okay, it looks like I'm on a website called Rescue.
Yes. Do you see the support connection? Enter your 6-digit code.
I do.
Okay, let me give you the 6-digit code you need to put inside the box where it's asking you.
Okay.
Just give me a moment, let me generate a code for you. Now the code you need to put inside the box, that is
121
753.
753.
Now just below, do you see the start download?
I do.
Give a click on that.
Okay, it says down at the bottom of the screen, support LogMeIn Rescue EXE finished downloading.
Give a click on that.
Okay, it said,
Keep option for run.
okay, a little thing popped up that said technician would like to perform one or more actions on your computer. Do I just push OK?
Yes, press the OK button. You might going to get a few more OK options. Every time you see any option come up on your screen asking you for OK, continue, you need to go for the positive reply.
Okay. Now it just shows the TeqFly support application.
Correct. Now if you see any option OK there, just let me know, or else don't give a click to anywhere else.
Okay.
Now it seems like your computer is working very, very slow.
It is.
Now you can see your computer successfully got connected with our help desk. I'm just minimizing all the screen.
Okay. Yeah, let me know what you're doing, because I'm not used to doing this stuff.
Okay, no problem. I'm just here to first of all show you the issues which is there with the computer. We're going to check why your computer is not receiving the regular updates from the server, and we're going to check the network part of the computer. And after that, we're going to let you know what are the problems and what we have to do to fix the problem.
Okay, thank you.
Now, is this only one computer which you're having, or do you have any another computer too?
I have like 2 or 3 computers, because I have like a laptop and then I have my 2 desktop computers.
Okay, and like all the computer, you're the only user who uses it, or anybody else use the computer too?
I'm the only one that uses one of the desktops and the laptop, but one of the other computers gets used by my kid.
Okay. Now, first of all, as we checked already, there are a few softwares that are, being stopped. Now, let me show you, just because of some of your Microsoft services are not receiving the regular update, they're getting stopped, what kind of problem you're facing with the computer, and the reason why your computer is running slow.
Okay.
How old this computer is?
This computer is probably about 2 years old.
2 years old, so it's not that old.
No.
2-year-old. Okay. Now here, you can see this is the event viewer.
Okay.
Now, event viewer is a window where we can go ahead and check what are the applications that are running in a computer and what are the status regarding to all the internal services and the applications for the computer.
Okay.
So, if we're going to check the administrative events here, I want you to check there is a list of errors and warnings.
Oh wow, there's a lot of them.
Yeah, if you can check at the top the number of events, the total number is 516. Now, if you can check the date and time, some of these very recently, like 7/2/2016.
Wow.
It's to date. Now, let me tell you, first of all, if you're thinking all these errors and warnings, these are the viruses, let me tell you no. Basically, whenever any of your Microsoft software and the services, they're not going to receive the regular updates properly, they stop working a computer. At that time, your computer is keep trying to update that service, in a regular basis. Okay, it's going to take the multiple attempts. But as somehow, because of your computer not receiving the update, the file is unable to update properly. And at that time, your computer is going to create a certain error and a warning messages as it is right now creating. And this is the complete, you can see here the total number. More than 516 errors and warnings till now already generated. Now all these things, they're getting so much of, extra space from the hard disk. This is one of the big reasons why a computer is running very slow. Because as the day passes, the number is going to keep multiple. Like, right now the total number is 500, but within a few days, the number might be 1,000, then 2, then 4.
Oh, wow.
As long as they're on a computer, they're going to keep multiple themselves. They're going to slow down the computer more and more.
How can we fix this?
Well, in regards to, we can clear all this thing. There is no big deal with that. But, if we're going to clear this right now, you're once again going to create errors and warnings. So basically, we want, permanent solution. So after this problem, you're not going to face these kind of issue again. For that, we need all the software and application to receive the proper updates from the main server automatically in a regular basis. If all the applications, all the services given by the Microsoft Corporation are going to be run properly, your computer never going to face this kind of problem again.
Okay.
Let me just go ahead and check for the protection. Can you tell me which antivirus or protection you're using?
I don't know if I have any.
Yes. Why I ask you, because I also don't see any of the protection on your desktop screen. So, do you know what is the Windows Defender is?
I've seen it pop. I've seen Windows Defender pop up before, but I don't know what it is.
Okay, let me give you the brief knowledge first. Now here under the Google search, I'm going to type Windows Defender. Now if you can check this link, the Wikipedia, here it's going to give you the complete definition about the Windows Defender. Now I want you to read out these two lines, which says Windows Defender is a software product that attempts to detect and remove malware. It was first released as a free anti-spyware program. In that case, you're going to get a Windows Defender, which is basically an anti-spyware program, which is not only going to protect the computer from the viruses, but from the spyware too. So
okay.
If you have Defender protection with the computer, that is going to give you the complete protection for the computer.
Okay.
Once you're going to use a Windows Defender, you're going to get a certain benefit. If you're using, for example, if you're using Norton or a McAfee or a Kaspersky with a computer, that is just an antivirus program, which is only going to secure your computer from the viruses. But if you are using the Windows Defender, that is going to providing you protection not only from the viruses but from the spyware too. The second thing, this is a Microsoft component, a Windows product. So it's completely compatible with the computer. Windows Defender application not going to take the much space of your computer, so that is not going to slow down the computer. Third, and the very important part, you don't need to upgrade, renew, or spend any money for the Windows Defender. But this is a Microsoft product which is came with the computer. It's just that once you use the Windows Defender, that is for as long you have this computer. After that, you don't need to buy, purchase, or use any other protection with the computer.
Okay.
So let me check the status of the Windows Defender in your computer first.
Okay.
Surely there will be a Windows Defender you're going to have in this computer too. So let me check that first. Here it is.
Oh, I see it.
Now you can see it says PC status protected. Okay, the real protection is on. The virus and the spyware definition is up to date. That means the Windows Defender protection which you're having in this computer, that is working properly in this computer. Now you can ask the question, if the Windows Defender protection is running well in your computer, why your computer is facing a problem like this? The only reason is Windows Defender is showing you that PC status is protected. But as the Windows Defender also a Microsoft product, like your computer not receiving any regular updates from the Microsoft server, that's the only reason somehow your Windows Defender also unable to protect the computer in 100%. That's the only reason you're facing these kind of issues.
Oh, okay. I guess that makes sense.
Now let me just check the network part of the computer. Now what I believe, all the computers which you're having at your residence, all the computers that are connected to the same network like the Wi-Fi?
They should be. Well, I have a Wi-Fi and I have a wired network.
Now, here you can see I open up a black window. Now, I'm going to type here NETSCAT.
Okay.
For the net state, like your network status. Now, if you can check the status here, you can see below the active connections, there is a 3-layer. Local address, foreign address, and the status.
Okay.
You can check below the local address, there will be a particular one IP address, which is 192.168.245.247.
Okay.
Now, this is the local IP address of the network which you're using to get connected computer to the different internet websites. Okay?
Okay.
But if you can check one thing, below the phone addresses, there is no such IP addresses that are similar to the local address. They're just the random names and numbers with the letters ending with HTTPS. Now usually we see the HTTPS stands for the internet, okay?
Okay.
Now here, if you can check the status, the first one says established, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 says time wait, then last two says established. Now the number of phone IP addresses, the status saying they're established, they are already having the access of your network. Now the number one says that time wait, somehow they're unable to, get the connectivity to your network till yet. But the three of the phone IP addresses, they are already having the connectivity to your network. They're successfully connected to your network.
Okay.
That means whenever you're using this particular computer to your, regarding to the browsing, you're searching any other thing, you're checking your mail, you're sharing any other post information, well, at that time, there might be chances that, any one of these phone IP addresses, they can, misuse your post information. They can grab your post information and your identity.
Oh, no.
Now, all these phone IP addresses, they are getting into the computer because of the one viruses which is known as code red. Like I told you before, which is an executive file, somehow, your computer is infected because of the code red. That's the only reason that file allowing all these phone IP addresses to get into your computer.
Okay.
Now, the day by day, there might be chances that the phone IP addresses, they're going to get into your computer more and more, or the number one says right now time wait, in near future, they're also going to establish. So the number of phone IP addresses, they're going to get the established connection, that is a very big problem for you. But there might be chances that, anytime your post information or your identity can be compromised for any bad reason. The people, they can easily copy your IDs, your passwords regarding your mails. They can send some of the fake emails to your contacts by your name. Now, the other person, when they're going to receive a mail from under your name, they're going to open up that mail, okay? Now, once they're going to give a click on the fake mail, their computer also going to be connected to the same IP addresses with the phone IP addresses they're using. And they're also going to start facing the same problem. So this is a kind of a chain, on these days, these kind of people they're doing, so they can, connect the maximum number of Windows users and they can misuse the identity and the post information.
Okay, is there anything we can do to stop it?
Definitely, sir. Definitely, there is a thing we have to do, so we can stop all these things. But right now, I want you to just grab a pen and paper handy with you. So first of all, I can provide you some of the information.
Okay, hold on just a second. Let me get a pen and paper.
Take your time.
All right, I have a pen and paper.
Let me pull up my company's webpage first. Okay, first of all, you can just write it down, the company name which I work for. It's TeqFly, TeqFly.
Okay.
Now this is the toll-free number at the top right-hand side, 1-877-764-5405. Now this is a 24/7 help desk number. From days onwards, whenever you're going to face any sort of problem related to the computer, with the software part of the computer, with the network part of the computer, you can call us back here. We have a team of Microsoft certified professionals. You can share your problem to them. They're going to help you to fix the problem. Or else, sometimes if you're facing any problems, your emails, if you want to restore your computer or, completely upgrade your Windows 8 to Windows 10, in that case also you can contact us. The professionals, they're going to help you to providing you the complete service for the computer.
Okay.
If you're having a printer, you're facing any issues with the printer too, you can call us back. With the Wi-Fi unable to connect to the network, any problem, call us back, share the problem. We are here to help you with that 24/7.
Oh, thank you so much.
Now, right now, in regards to resolving all the problems from this computer, what we have to do? First of all, the software problem which you check, desktop, that is a problem specifically related to this computer, okay? The error warning problem which you said, that is also specifically related to this computer. But the network problem you check, that is the phone IP addresses they're having the access. that key, you can fix that problem directly. At that time, you don't have to worry about anything else. Okay? In regards to generate that key one time, there will be a one-time activation charge. That is going to cost you $199.99.
Oh, wow.
After that, you get to, yes. After that, by using that key, we're going to make sure all the software are going to be run properly. We're going to use that key to encrypt your network mainly. And after that, the defender is also going to work. And by using that key, after this, whenever you face any problem, we can resolve it. And for that, there will be no stolen charges. There will be no additional charges for any services after that.
Okay, well, I guess if it keeps me safe, it's worth it.
Definitely. And regarding to the payment and services, you're going to get all the documents because we are working under the federal government of US, so we believe in documentation. So you're going to receive all the documents regarding to the payment, regarding to the services. Everything is going to be mentioned. You're going to receive on your email. If you have the printer working, you can print it down too.
Okay.
Now here, I pull up the page for you. You can see here the security code. You need to put the security code from your end as form you can see there.
So do I have to type that in?
Yes, you need to type that in.
Okay, hold on.
Make sure you are typing the letters in a form you can see, like capital, small, like that.
Like that?
You click on continue. Now this is the encryption page here. You can go ahead, fill up all the details from your end.
So I fill this out?
Sorry?
Do I need to fill this out?
Yes, you need to fill the form from your end.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, the $199.99. You can see at the top.
Okay.
After that, it says email. Once you're going to provide us your email, you're going to receive all the documents in your email.
Okay. Okay, hold on here.
Take it down. You missed out the city, I guess.
Oh, did I miss the city?
Yeah. Make sure the email which you're providing us, that is the correct email which you're using right now. Because all the documents you're going to receive in that email.
Okay.
Later on, we're going to save that, in your desktop screen.
Okay, now what do I push now?
At the top, you can see there will be the card details. You need to go ahead and fill up that too.
Okay, hold on. Let me get my wallet. Okay, what do I got to do now?
Now, at the bottom, you see the pay now. You need to give a click on that.
Okay.
Okay, it says error. The credit card number is invalid. Make sure double check the credit card and all the information you're providing us. Make sure all the informations are correct. It says error. The credit card number is invalid. Can you see at the top?
Yeah. Let me double check. I'll double check it.
Yeah. Don't be hurry. Just be relaxed. Take your time. Recheck it.
Everything looks correct. It's a Visa card.
Yeah, but it says the credit card number is invalid. So you double check your credit card number.
I did double check the credit card number. Is there another payment method I could do?
No. And the expiration date. Are you sure the expiration date and the card code, all the informations are correct?
Yeah, I double checked each number. It looks right.
Okay, do one thing. Give a click on pay now once again.
Okay. I don't know why it's saying the credit card's invalid. I just used it yesterday on Amazon.
Just do one thing. Erase the credit card number and the card expiration date and the card code and, refill it.
Okay,
Make sure
hold on.
you're putting the correct information.
Okay, hold on.
And just double check it.
Let's see. Oops.
Please double check the number.
Let me double check. 4100-4853-9547-334 and 6. Expiration
It's
date.
86. You're putting the 6. After 334, there is the 86.
There's a what?
After the 733, it's 486.
Hold on, I'm looking here. Yes. No, just 46.
You missed out the 8. Oh, 46. Okay.
Oh.
And check your expiration date too.
Let's see. Like that. And then that's right. That's the code that's on the back.
Okay, no problem. You can give a click on pay now.
I don't know why it's saying my credit card's invalid.
It's not saying the credit card invalid. It's saying the credit card number is invalid. Like, apart from this, do you have any other credit card or debit card with you?
I don't have any more credit cards, but I do have a PayPal.
No, give me a minute. Are you sure you're checking all the details correctly, the card number and the expiration date too?
It matches exactly.
Okay, no problem. Just let me have a talk with my registration department here.
Okay.
Just give me a moment.
No problem.
Okay, sir, Jerry, I'm just transferring your call to my registration department. Okay?
Okay.
So just be online for a minute. Let me transfer this call to my registration department. So, he can have a talk with you.
Okay.
Thank you for being on hold, Jerry. This is Ahmed. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
I'm doing good as well. Thanks for asking, Jerry. Okay, Jerry, I would like you to first go ahead and check one by one each number on your card number as your card number. One by one. Please check it.
All right, I'll double check here.
Yeah, please double check it.
Okay, 4100-48539-547-3346. It looks right to me.
Okay, and the expiration date is 9/18, right?
Correct.
And the card code, please check it.
It's the one on the back, right?
Yeah, at the back of your card, if you flip over the card, you'll see the last 3 digits. Type in just the last 3 digits.
Yeah, it's 493.
Okay, let me just check now. No, it says the card number is invalid. Do you have any other card, Jerry, that you can use?
Unfortunately, this is my only card I have. It's my Visa card.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, maybe the page has got expired, because if you try multiple times, it will not get accepted. All right?
Okay.
So let me open up a fresh new page for you, okay?
Okay.
Give me a moment.
All right.
All right, okay, you can retype in the number. And please double check, because, what happens, Jerry, at times, the color gets deleted on the card, all right? So you don't see the number properly.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right, so please double check and please because we are getting the error report as credit card invalid.
Okay. So here, hold on. I think I might have my credit card.
One by one.
Hold on. Let me see. I think I got my credit card on my desktop somewhere in a folder I can copy and paste. Hold on here.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead and do that.
Let me see.
As per your convenience.
Let me see if it's in my bank accounts here. Nope. Hold on. No, it's not in there. Oops. I thought I had my credit card in here. Hold on. Yeah, I don't have it. I can try typing it in again.
Yeah, one by one. Go very slowly.
You know what? I don't think typing it in is probably going to help because it's not a real credit card. You guys, I work for Microsoft. I'm actually a senior developer on the Redmond campus. So you guys are live on the internet right now. You want to say hello?
Yeah. I mean, what do you want to say?
I just want you to introduce yourself and say hello to the internet. Everybody's watching this scam. This is a pretty popular scam. I'm actually a developer at Microsoft on the Redmond campus, so I have firsthand knowledge of this scam. So I'm just showing everybody on the internet what you guys can do.
Okay, good to know that. Go ahead and do it, whatever you can.
You're on a virtual machine. You can't do anything. So it was fun. Thank you for participating. This was a blast. And good luck on your next venture. Here, let me give him some pictures. There you go, guys. Enjoy. Goodbye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It has been a blast screwing with you guys, and later. Look, he still thinks he's taking control of the computer. You realize you're in a virtual machine, right? You literally can't do anything. See, watch this. You guys ready? Bye. Oh, nice try, though. Catch you later. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. I just shut down the VM. He was trying to do his little Hail Mary where he installs his bot networks and his viruses and everything like that. That's what you saw him like really quick trying to take control of everything. The dumbass didn't realize he was in a virtual machine, so there was nothing he could do. That's funny. That's the first call. I've gotten those calls before, but I've never played along with it, and it was actually a lot of fun to play along with it. And hopefully this video will serve as a reminder to anybody that's that the scam happens to. They go to this TeqFly service. They'll go and search on Google or whatever, and they'll find my video, and it'll show them that it's a complete and total scam. It always is. Microsoft will not call you if they detect a problem with your computer. They never will. They never have. So if somebody calls you, just screw with them. Just give them random credit card numbers, keep them on the line, mess with them, ask them about life problems. They're just total scammers. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was unexpected, but I had fun doing it. Later. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. Also come over to Twitter. I'm at Barnacles. I'm a real social guy. Also, if you have a couple of minutes, check out some of these many other videos. I made them myself.